at the boogers, the baguettes. Young nigga got diamonds on his neck, yeah. Bad bitch.
Yo, we're just out here on the Forks, rocking the 318 E36 gang. Yeah, still leaving the E46 to dry. You know, just got it tinted the other day and shit. So, been slapping this fucker around for a few days. They said like at least 3 to 5 days. I'm gonna leave it 5 just to be safe, because being a coupe, it's got those auto close doors. When you open it, it slightly goes down. When you close it, it slightly comes up. So it's like, if you like in and out of the car too much in the early stages of the wrap and whatnot, not the wrap, the goddamn tint, it could peel it off and whatnot, So I'm just like getting dry. Good thing I have other cars, but it's very interesting. Like I didn't even realize that with the coupe thing, and like Buddy kind of told me that after the fact, and I was like, while I was like, oh, this goddamn speed bump. While I was like halfway, waiting for the thing to get done, I was like, damn, what about the fucking auto window and shit? Yeah, to be honest, I miss having a light car with like low horsepower. Yo, who do these bike fuckers think they are, bro?
I love peso. Man, you niggas know about this shit, bro. My niggas on that raw, rapidy shit. Hey, she wanna get naked now, yeah. She wanna ride around. She told me that other guy she was with just a clown. I can't deal with her. That bitch lying too, and she rocking the fur. So I knew the bitch was bougie. I can't fuck with her, yeah. Hey, I can't fuck with her. Young nigga riding through the city, bitch, I got word. So I can't do what these niggas wanna do.
Yo, Brody, I can't chill tonight, nigga. You already know what it is. Like, I fuck niggas tweaking, bruh.
Hey, yeah. I'm riding through the city with your bitch on my dick. I can't understand why these bitches so fucking fake. My bro, he riding through the city with that fucking cake. If you niggas play.
Bro got the Vert out finally for the first time in how long? Damn, bro. It's even a fucking journey. Come on, let's go, buddy. Damn, I think it's been a journey. Built, not bought. Gang shit.
Don't get the back, I don't got no exhaust.
So dope.
I just made a ticket, I'm still lying down.
I no longer wear my true religions. Have to get me a safety deposit. All these stacks that won't fit in my tenants.
All these racks that don't fit in my closet. Money long woke up from all of the nightmares. So I'm going all out for the team. I'm going all out for the team.
It's a good color though, no?
Mm-hmm.
Damn, they have to paint it white first.
Yeah, okay. You just sit there?
Best seat in the house.
Holy my. That's gang. That's the thumbnail.
It's like a
A&W runs, essential. Huh?
that was special Navi coming, eh?
Navi?
Yeah. Got the dash right here. It looks like the new cars.
My thing. Get some glamour shots too, eh?
I want the car to be finished too. At least from like pictures, I'm sure it looks half decent.
Bro,
Like it doesn't have headlight washer
caps,
caps, you know?
street and post sideways, get some sick footage.
I'll show you the video. I'll show you the video where I spun it. You got me, right? Obviously you spun me. Get the fuck.
Driver beat things, yo.
Oh, this is dead. Like this looks like I'm about to hit trees, fam. What the fuck? You look level with trees.
Big Touge gang, bro. Drop top Touge gang.
off the pack. I told that little bitch I got no time, just relax. I'm off that perky, I need this shit just for my bag. I'm sitting in the Cadillac, I'm smoking on thrax. Got your bitch beside me, riding through the city in that foreign big body. Push him on the shit, and I know I'm in the party. Young nigga be riding through the city off that Molly. Yo bitch right beside me, that he holding on the Tommy. Holding on the AK, told that little bitch put that shit away. Just like TK, that nigga going away. 5 to 99, goddamn.